Okay, that might not have been a better idea. That keeps turning around, it's not as stiff as it used to be. So. Oi! Why is it so bright? Hang on, let me unexposure it. Is it unexposure? No, it's still exposured. Oh, great. I told exposure to unlock, it's still locked. Oh, I give up. Sorry about that, just got to keep the damn rats fed. Where's the ball? Go find! Go find the ball! You not found it from when you were looking before. Oh, it's here! It's here! It went right under. Good boy. Go. So that's my furry outfit today. What's that? I don't know. Oopsie daisy. I've got my new bikini on today, which kind of makes me look a bit flat chested.